The DrySpace underdeck water management system collects and channels moisture and stormwater so homeowners can make the most of the area below their second-story deck. The system can be installed on new decks or retrofitted on existing ones, providing a clean, attractive, finished ceiling look. DrySpace is made of solid extruded vinyl for maximum strength, durability, and moisture and mold resistance. DrySpace kits and individual components are available to fit most common deck dimensions. The kits include all of the parts needed for an easy, seamless installation using standard tools, such as a drill, miter saw, tape measure, and snips or shears. The DrySpace system consists of 3 simple elements. Single and double combo brackets go over the joists. F brackets run along the ledger board and connect to the combo brackets. V panels snap into the brackets, channel water away from the home, and provide an attractive ceiling aesthetic. When installing DrySpace, the first step is to determine the pitch to channel water effectively, which also defines the slope of the combo bracket. Refer to the chart in your DrySpace kit to find the proper pitch. Use a chalk line to mark a pitch line on each side of each joist. Next, cut the F bracket to be a 1/4 inch narrower than each joist opening. Use a spare piece of the combo bracket to mark where the F brackets will go. Then install an F bracket in each joist cavity using coated nails for use with treated lumber or stainless steel screws. Next, cut each combo bracket to be 1 inch shorter than the joist where it will be installed. To install, work with a partner to slide each combo bracket into the F brackets on either side of the joist. Be sure the lower edge of the F bracket fits securely between the edges of the combo bracket. Align the top of the combo bracket to your chalk line and secure on both sides with nails or screws. Nails should not be fully driven to allow the combo brackets to float with thermal expansion and contraction. Note that double joist combo brackets are also available. For custom double and triple joist installation, refer to full DrySpace installation guide on our website. For maximum protection against moisture, we recommend using window wrap or butyl rubber tape to seal components. This includes the top of the F brackets to cover nail slots and the joints between the F and combo brackets. The joist hangers should also be fully covered with butyl tape to prevent moisture from passing behind, resulting in leakage. The tape will be hidden once V panels are installed. To prevent water from running back up the bottom side of the panel and combo bracket, crimp the drainage ends of the V panel and combo bracket downward with pliers. You can now install the V panels. Insert one side of the panel into the channels of the combo bracket, and then flex the panel so you can tuck the other edge into the opposite combo bracket. You can then slide the panel snugly into place in the F bracket. Once all panels are installed, you should have a 3-inch gap between the panel ends and the fascia board. You can install a standard vinyl or aluminum gutter here to collect and channel water. That's all it takes for a typical installation. Your DrySpace solution is now ready for action, collecting moisture from the second-story deck and channeling it neatly away, keeping the underdeck space dry, comfortable, and ready to enjoy. No matter what the weather, make the most of your outdoor space with DrySpace. Additional detail and tips for unusual installation scenarios are available online.